So this phone, it gotta be inside the bag. If it's not inside the bag, how you gonna reach me? How you gonna call me? You gotta be able to call me.
Glimpse, you'll see how we do it. Yeah, you see how we do it. Come catch a glimpse, you will see how we do it.
My swag on stupid, I stay on dumb. Everybody jocking my swag too.
Oh, boom! Dang, did that sound heavy? I hope I didn't break nothing. Okay, y'all. So this is the first MCM bag I bought. It's reversible, as you guys know, and it still honestly looked the same as when I first got it. Like, after I show you guys what's inside my bag, I will show you what the inside looks like and all that good stuff, and so you can see like there's really no wear and tear. I did go hard on this bag for like the first 6 months of me having it, like going hard as in wearing it every day, wearing it everywhere, not matching with nothing, like, but I was wearing it proudly. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the video. First, we're gonna start off with this lip gloss. Okay, y'all know I love me some Miaaaa products, and if you didn't know, you know now. So you guys cannot see that, but that's what I have on right now. So you know I be using what's in my bag. You know. Okay, so that's what's in there first, you guys. Then of course we got my MCM wallet. You guys know this is a new purchase for me, but I told you it was gonna be my new like wallet. Y'all thought I was joking? Y'all thought I was kidding? I'm kidding, but yeah, so this is my wallet. You know my wallet inside my bag too, period. Y'all, I got my iPad inside here. You know what I'm saying? Like whenever I'm feeling bored or anything like that and I just want to get on my iPad, that's what I do. You know what I'm saying? So iPad is in there. So far we got lip gloss, wallet, iPad. Y'all, the fragrance of today. I'm out here smelling like Dolce & Gabbana. Nah, but this light blue fragrance, like, it's the truth. Like, I remember when I first got put onto this fragrance, like the person that put me on was like, I don't know if it's a female or a male fragrance, but it's bomb. And she was right. It's bomb. Like, so much to the point, this is my third one, baby. Like, yeah, it's given. Okay, so if you don't got this fragrance, you should get you some. Like, oh baby, like it's bomb, and like the scent sticks with you. Like, I'm be smelling like this for a couple days. Like, for real. Next, you guys, I'm a real snacker and I love these white cheddar popcorn chips. So I don't keep a bag in there, but I try to keep some type of munchies, something to like snack on, something to like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's just me, baby. Okay, so now, whoop, since we're on food, y'all, I got an apple in here. This apple been in here for like 2 days, so it's still a fresh apple. I could still eat this at any point in time, you guys. But yeah, I told you I like to have snacks in my bag, so this is one of my snacks, the apple. Love apples. I like the green ones, but I don't go crazy over them like I do these ones. And then some water, you guys. It's always good to stay hydrated, especially with water. I enjoy running. I'm like huge on running, so I always got some water with me because I might hit a jog anywhere. Like, I might just jog because that's what I like to do. So this is the water. Let's see what else we got up in here. Woo! Y'all, we got my AirPods. Can y'all see them? It has my name on them. I don't think you can see them. It's gonna make me sad, but these are my AirPods, you guys, and I absolutely love them. I'm so happy that I decided to invest in them. a very, very good investment, especially when I'm trying to talk and I don't want everybody up in my mouth. Like, good investment. What else do we got up in here? Ooh, okay, so we got some hand sanitizer, you guys. I really love Dove products. Like, if you look in my bathroom, you'll see a lot of Dove products in my bathroom, simply because I like how it feels on the skin. But I did get some hand sanitizer, and it was by Dove, so I thought that was even better because, like I just said, I love Dove products. Speaking of Dove products, I got some Dove body cream, nourishing body cream. This is what it looks like, and it's really convenient and it's really small, to where I could just keep it in my purse and not have to worry about it spilling or like it pumping into my purse or something like that. Like, it's real small, sleek. I like that. Something else I keep in my purse. And you guys, okay, so I might be like, I don't know how many other women do this, but I like to carry this in my purse also, because you never really know. I be getting hangnails, all types of stuff all the time, and it's like just so awesome to know, like, okay, I could just open my purse and I got something in there to fix it and to make the problem better or to make the problem go away. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I keep this in my purse. I got this off Amazon, you guys. I will leave the link in the description box. I think it was literally like 10 bucks, no more than 15 for sure, but it was cheap. And these things are sharp, like everything up in here, you guys, like sharp. Okay, so this was a good investment, and this is something I take with me everywhere. Anytime I'm switching my bags out and stuff like that, I will take that from one bag and put it into another bag, just like my wallet. My wallet goes in every bag with me. Pretty much all these products that I'm pulling out, it's like daily use. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I'm switching bags or purses, like, I'm gonna switch everything that's in this bag to this purse, and pretty much. Okay, last but not least, you guys, I got some bubble yum. I honestly think I bought this for my kids, but you know, it's just, for some reason, it's just still sitting in my purse. I don't know, maybe I should eat some. Maybe that's why it's still sitting in my purse, because it wants me to open it and eat some. I think that's what it is. So we just gonna open it, and I'm gonna let y'all know what it's hitting for, because you know, sometimes it just don't be giving what it's supposed to get. So we gonna see what this hit for. This is juicy. Yeah, it's really juicy. Okay, back into the bag though. Y'all see? I feel like I'm about to be smacking now. Okay. The inside of the bag, it still looks really nice with that giraffe print. As you can see, like, it's really little to no wear and tear. It honestly looks the same as when I first got it, and this is a whole year later. And like I said, I consistently wore it like every day, no days off, for like 6 months. So, and this is what came with it. I have wore this a couple times, and every time I wear it, you guys, I wear it by itself. Like, I thought I was gonna be putting this inside of that bag and wearing them together, but no, this has been like a solo mission type of bag. So I've been wearing this by itself a lot. I really don't want to remove the plastic. Everybody, every time I go somewhere, they're like, why don't you take this plastic off? Why don't you, are you gonna return it? Are you, girl, no, I just want it in there. Period, poop. This is the inside. Little to no wear and tear. I didn't wear this bag or go out with this bag as much as I did the bigger bag, but I do want to say though, like, I don't regret the I don't regret the purchases. I'm actually really happy that I purchased these bags, and I will be purchasing more MCM bags in the future. I told myself I'm gonna try to buy myself at least one designer bag a year. I feel like that's a good way to start off. Like, you know what I'm saying? Sorry, this gum. I feel like my jaw was tripping right now. No, but this is the bag, you guys. So as far as wear and tear, I tell you little to no. I absolutely adore this bag. You guys know I just recently got a new MCM bag, and I'm in love with both of them. Like, I'm just happy to have more than one at this point. You know what I'm saying? So I can switch it off and stuff like that. But these bags and the quality of these bags, long lasting, like really good material. Really pretty. Very spacious. Y'all seen all that stuff I had in my bag. So you guys, that's pretty much my 1 year update on my MCM bag. Definitely, if you like today's video, definitely hit that thumbs up, you guys, because those thumbs really do help my videos, and it helps other people to see them, because it lets YouTube know that you guys are, you know, y'all liking my channel, y'all liking my content. So feel free to like the video. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy today's video, definitely hit that thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.